back with another lesson, and today we will study the solo from Mahal Pa Rin Kita. This is from a band from the Philippines, and the guitar player is Paul Xavier, really good guitar player, very melodic, very expressive. And today we will study his solo. We will make it simple. We'll study the chords, we'll study the scale, actually only one scale, it's the A major scale, and we'll study the positions, and then we'll break it down. Okay, so let's start with the chords. The chords are simple. It's in the key of A, and let's check it out here. We have 3 sharps, key of A, and then the chords are, we're using Guitar Pro, and the chords are D, E, A, F sharp, E, B, and that's about it. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 chords. Okay, and I use power chords, so that's it's easier. Okay, so let's try to play it. And then it modulates to another key, which is B. So it's from A to B. I'm not sure if they were tuned down a half step, but yeah, we're on standard tuning. So basically that's it. A D to E and A, and there's a passing note there. You can sustain the note if you want to, or you can maybe do it by bar there, so it's entirely up to you. Going back to D, E, and so on and so forth. Yeah, so the chords are quite easy. Okay, and then we go to the scales, and like I've said, it's only the A major scale, but in different positions. So I wrote here position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, 5. How many? 6 positions, and we have here position 3, D note first string, position 6, 3 note first string. So I'll try to just read it and play with it, and you can study it on your own. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so that's it. So those are all the positions, and the next step is breaking down the solo, and let's see how the scales and everything works out. The solo is in 69 beats per minute, but let's try to slow it down, for practice sake. And like I've said, I use the Guitar Pro for practicing. And usually I just drag it like this if I want to learn something. 1, 2, 3, 4. I listen to it. So that's quite slow. It's okay. But as you can see on the first beat, it's like there's a D chord. So we can put it there. That's 0, 2, 3, like a power chord, D, and then let's play it out. So we have D, and the thing is, I think on the solo, the first one, this one is There you go. It's a pinch harmonic, so we can easily edit that, put it here. Where is it? Left side here, or no, it's easier to go to the effects, and you see there artificial harmonics and pinch harmonic octave. I think it's octave. Yeah, so let's put that octave. So we have here a pinch harmonic. Okay, I'll take this out and listen to it. And I think this one also is a pinch harmonic. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, it's a pinch harmonic also. So we'll put that as a pinch harmonic. So okay, so we have two pinch harmonics there, and that's about it. And as you can see, the scale, it's all there. And then we have this this one. It's a like a short dive there. It's not even like whole, it's like, yeah, but so there you go. So then pinch on one again. And if you don't know how to do the pinch harmonic, it's like playing the strings, and then you play with it, the tip of the pick, and you touch it with the flesh of the thumb, you know. There will get the sound. And with vibrato, you will get that sound. So that's pinch harmonic. So we get that one, and then the next, let's slow it down first so that it's easier to study. Maybe let's say this is 69. Let's do 50. So that's 50, and so we have that part. So we have the slide on the 5th, and 4, and then here from the 2nd to the 7th. So that's a long slide. Seven, and here, as you can see, we have the dive again. So, or like that. Or even here on this part, you can put the dive there. Like that. So from the 2nd, then dive, then 4, then dive again. So we have that section down. Okay, so let's try that. Then dive, then 4, 6, then dive. So it makes it, you know, more expressive, creative, than simply, you know, going. You can go 5, 7, 4, dive, 4, 6, dive, and then we go to this section, which is a bit of a run here. So let's, and again, looking at the position, as you can see, it's all the major scale. With this one, we studied the 3-note first string, we studied this position, and it's all there. Like this one, right? It's from the 3-note first string. it's quite easy. It's just that we have a bit of a pull off there from 12. Of the slide on the 10 to 12, and then 12. So that's about it for this part. So let's try to play that, the whole thing. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's clear. Okay, so we go to the next part of the solo, which is with chromatics. So I think this is the trickiest part of the solo, but not that much if we will break it down. Okay, so let's listen to it. So again, same position. We have that position, the A major scale, and then we bend on the 17, and then 16, 17, and then half bend on the 16. Then we have hammer 15, 16, and then 14, 15, 14, and then hammer 13, 14, 15, bend 15, and then 17. So we have that again. Okay, and then we have this part, which is 15, 18, then slide 15, 14 on the second string, then 14. Okay, so the next part, the last part of the solo is this one. Yeah, we have that, and then I think we have the scrape after. And then go to the B. Okay, so let's do that. And as you can see, it's the same position. We have the, if you know the 3 note per string position, we have that. Also, we have 9. So we have it here. And then we have bend on 17, then bend on the 19, and then we have the scrape. Let's try to play that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, something like that. But that one is quite easy. Basically, that's the solo. So we have different scale positions of the A major scale. We have it here, we have it in the middle, we have it everywhere. And then we have some techniques going on. The bar, I've learned out-pitch harmonics, some runs, hammers and pull-offs. We have bends, of course, and chromatic system. We have that one, and then that's about it. So it's A major scale in different position and some techniques, and you get the solo already. So I hope you like the solo, and I hope you like the lesson. And this is Alvin saying ciao, rock on, and have a great day.